Adani Enterprises announced a rights issue worth 25,000 crore rupees. A rights issue is when a company raises money by offering new shares but only to its existing shareholders. If you already hold the shares, the company gives you the option to buy more, usually at a discount to the market price. Now, for this issue, anyone who holds shares of Adani Enterprise as of November 17, 2025, the record date, will receive Rights Entitlement, or REs for short, in the ratio of 3:25. So for every 25 shares you hold, you will get 3 REs. These REs will be credited to your Demat account and will trade on the exchange from November 25th to December 5th. REs are temporary security that give you the option to apply for the new shares in the rights issue. You can use them in 2 ways. You can apply for the new shares using REs, or you can sell them on the exchange during the trading window. That's useful if you don't want to invest more money but still want to monetize your entitlement. But if you buy REs from the market, remember, simply buying them doesn't give you the shares. You must apply for the rights issue. If you don't apply before the window closes, the REs will lapse and the entire amount you paid for them will be lost. The application window for the rights issue is open from 25th November to 10th December. During this period, you can apply online using your bank's net banking ASBA services or offline by submitting the physical form at a designated branch of a self-certified syndicate bank. The issue price is 1,800 rupees per share. But this is a partly paid rights issue, which means you don't pay the full amount upfront. You pay 900 rupees per share when you apply. The remaining 900 will be collected later in 2 installments, one in January 2026 and another in March 2026. You are required to pay these future installments only if you continue to hold the partly paid shares when the company announces the payment dates. If you sell the partly paid shares before those dates, the responsibility to pay the remaining amounts shifts to the buyer. But if you don't pay the installments when they are due, the company can forfeit your partly paid shares and you lose both the shares and money you've already paid. Once you apply, the company will allot the partly paid shares after the issue closes. These shares will show up in your Demat separately and will trade under a different symbol until they become fully paid shares after the last call. You can also apply for more shares than your entitlement, but you will get the extra shares only if there is a leftover supply after everyone's entitled shares are allotted. If you are applying online, net banking ASBA will ask for a few details. The most important is your Demat ID, a 16-digit number that identifies your Demat account. On the Kite app, you can find it by tapping on Client ID and then Profile. You can also find it on console.zerodha.com by going to Account and then Demat. You will also need to enter few fixed details. For depository, select CDSL. For DP name, enter Zerodha. Once you have all these details handy, head over to your bank's net banking portal to submit the application. We have added a link in the description that explains this process as well as the offline process in detail.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.